All right, we got the disposable cleaning brush. This is how it comes in the packaging. I already took out a roll. I cut open the top. Just want to show you what are, so they last a while. I put them right here in my refill. And then I just take this. I never touch the bottom of this. I actually never go past this blue release right there. And I just push it in, clip it on, pull it out, and then you just do that to just take it off of it and unhook it. All right, I honestly don't want to show you this nasty teenager toilet, but I do want to show you how good it really does clean and how much of the grit and grime you can get off of it just with this brush. I'm not using any other products, and nothing was put else in the bowl or sprayed and let it soak and sit on. I can just literally scrub it and it comes off right away. Actually pretty it looks like. Okay, so this is the top that the wand goes and clips onto. Embarrassed at the toilet, but I will say I've been out of these for a while, which is why I also get them in bulk so I don't run out quick. And this is a teenager toilet, just to be clear about that. Look at how good that cleans. You just give it a flush and it goes all in there. And then I always tap it on the side when I'm done. And I have a garbage can nearby that I just hit the blue switch, the blue little on the handle here, and just put it right into that. And no mess for me, no drips, because I do it on the edge here, get some of the water out that's left in it, and I'm done. You can see where it kind of clamps around. Bigger area, smaller area, and that's where it clamps into. These are the scrubbing brush of it, and this is where the soap and the cleaning solution is, right in the middle there. So I'm excited to use these. I like getting this size because you get a lot, and if you have a couple bathrooms, I throw each one of the rolls in the bathrooms, and then I just attach the wand, and they last me a long time because I get them, you know, a lot of them in bulk instead of just getting, you know, one pack here and there.